The story of artificial intelligence is a fascinating journey that spans centuries. From ancient myths to the cutting-edge technology of today. Join us as we delve into the past to uncover the origins of AI and trace its remarkable evolution to the present. The concept of inanimate objects endowed with intelligence traces back to ancient times. In Greek mythology, the god Hephaestus forged robot-like servants out of gold. Similarly, engineers in ancient Egypt animated statues of gods using the knowledge of their time. Throughout the centuries, brilliant thinkers like Aristotle and Ramon Llull described human thought processes using symbols and logic, laying the groundwork for AI concepts. Fast forward to the 18th and 19th centuries, where visionaries like Charles Babbage and Ada Lovelace invented the first programmable machine. The 20th century brought the dawn of modern computers, enabling scientists to explore the possibilities of machine intelligence. Alan Turing's famous Turing Test emerged, challenging computers to convince humans of their human-like responses. In 1956, the birth of the modern field of AI took place during the historic Dartmouth Conference. This gathering of brilliant minds, including John McCarthy, Marvin Minsky, and others, coined the term artificial intelligence and presented groundbreaking AI programs like the Logic Theorist. The 50s and 60s were a time of optimism, with many believing human-level AI was just around the corner. Advances like the general problem solver and early chatbot programs showed great promise. However, limitations in computing power led to a period known as the AI winter in the 70s and 80s, where support for AI research waned. The late 90s marked an AI renaissance, thanks to increased computational power and access to vast amounts of data. NLP, computer vision, robotics, and deep learning advanced rapidly. In 1997, IBM's Deep Blue defeated a world chess champion, showcasing AI's potential. The 21st century saw AI becoming an integral part of our lives. Virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa became household names. Self-driving cars transformed transportation. AI-driven recommendation systems personalized our online experiences. Today, we stand at the frontier of generative AI, where technology can create new content in response to prompts. Language models like ChatGPT-3, Google's Bard, and Microsoft's Megatron Turing NLG have amazed the world with their abilities. As we embark on the journey into the future, AI holds the promise of even greater wonders. However, challenges like hallucinations and skewed responses remind us that we are still in the early stages of this incredible technology. Join us as we continue to explore the ever-evolving history of AI and its impact on our world. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share this video with others who are curious about the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. Thank you for watching. Remember to stay curious and keep learning.